You might be wondering, why would I need an integration platform? Which scenarios could benefit from these? The most obvious is near instantaneous synchronization of records to multiple systems, powering real-time applications and operations. Cloud and business applications for retailers need real-time visibility into orders and inventory. Otherwise, the company might run out of stock or have inventory surpluses. It is vital to avoid these kind of scenarios, especially during peak shopping periods. Whether it's about monitoring financial transactions, production chains, or store inventories, operational reporting adds only value if it's delivered fast. Overcoming post-merger integration challenges, many organizations start integrating with custom code. This requires experienced developers to create point-to-point integrations between specific applications, services, systems, and databases. This approach, although feasible for small companies with only a couple of endpoints, is very impractical for businesses with 10 or more applications to integrate, and especially for two merging companies. Very quickly, this point-to-point becomes a spaghetti. An ERP system's primary purpose is to automate business processes in order to increase efficiency and better visibility. One struggle companies have had is to integrate their ERP system with other enterprise systems to meet growing business demands. ERP implementations commonly span a few years. What starts off as a couple of functional modules often grow into a primary ERP system with a number of standalone applications on the side. An integration platform provides several key benefits that are targeted specifically to ERP integrators. It's easy to expand, has incremental adoption, is very scalable, and is distributable. ERP implementations commonly span a few years. What starts off as a few functional modules often grow into a primary ERP system with a number of standalone applications on the side. An integration platform provides several key benefits that are targeted to ERP integrations. It's easy to expand, allows for incremental adoption, it's very scalable, and also very distributable.